Students, I have told you about the Taj Mahal, Qutub Minar, then Gol Gumbaj, then about the Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj railway station, or that is terminus. Today we will do page number that is 28. The topic Indian tradition of performing arts. Now art meant here the folk songs, folk dance, the folk instrumental music, then the instrument which are used for playing the folk dance or song. Now different type of traditions we are having in different states and different dance are being known, and here the different type of ragas are also there, that is the 7 or the 9 ragas. Let me read for you or explain it short. Traditions of performing folk art. India has independent and varied tradition of folk songs, folk instrumental music, folk dance and folk theatres, which are characteristics of every particular region. There exist many richest traditions of performing folk art in Maharashtra. They developed as an integral part of the religious, festival and social life. Koli dance, then we are having the Tarapan dance, Dash Avatar of Konkan, Pavadas, Kirtan, then we have the Jagar, Gondhal, etc. Tradition of classical performance art. Classical performance art, that is the Natya Shastra, written by Bharat Muni. Okay, Natya Shastra is written by Bharat Muni, which discuss about the music and the theatres. Now, in India, we are having the fundamental presentation of performing art. They are the Shingar, that is love ras, then Hasya, humor, then Bihatsa, that is repulsion, Rudra, terrible, then we have the Karuna, that is sad, Veer, that is heroic, Bhayanak, fearless, Adbhut, that is we have the wondrous, and Shanta, peaceful. These are the rasa we say, that is to show our expression. Clear? During dance, they show different type of facial expressions. Now, the page number 29 you go. Now, the box I will read it for you. The ruler of Bijapur, Ibrahim Adil Shah II, wrote a text in Dhakkani Urdu language entitled Kitab-e Navras. This text is about Indian classical music. It includes verses songs in the Dhurupad style and enables the audience to experience the joy of excellent poet. This text is originally translated in Maratha by Sayyid Yahya Nishat. It is edited by Dr. Arun Prabhuni. The translation of the words printed on the cover of this text read as follows. O Mother Saraswati, you are the divine light in the world and you are complete with all qualities. If Ibrahim receives your grace, blessings, the poet of the Navras will become eternal. Now, down you go. We are having two types of musics, that is Hindustani music and the Carnatic music. Now, this also have two forms. that is classical, that is known as classical means Shastriya, and semi-classical, that is known as Upashastriya. The semi-classical has included many styles of folk music. Then beautiful blends of all three forms of music, vocal, instrumental and dance, can be seen in various Indian classical dance form like Kathak of North India, Lavani of Maharashtra, Odissi of Orissa, Bharatnatyam of Tamil Nadu, and Kathakali and Mohini Attam of Kerala. That means art form, we are having so many types of dance, that is. Then I will explain you about the next side. You can see in the picture I am showing you Lavani of Maharashtra. Yes, it is very famous in that Kolhapuri side, Solapur and Kolhapur side. Yes, and down we go, we can see the Kathakali of Kerala. Now the Savai, that is Gandharva, the Savai Gandharva festival of Pune is a famous one. Then Pandit Uday Shankar is a prominent name among such artists who created a new style. Clear? I am showing you, you better read the textbook also. Then I will explain you the next part of the textbook. Now we come to the art, applied art and professional opportunities. Now art, if you are having some kind of skill with you, you can become a great person, you can have a job and so on. Now see, art history is an independent branch of knowledge. Various opportunities of research are available in this field. First one, art historian can work in the field of journalism. Art market is an independent field. It calls for special expertise to assess the exact value of an art object or to ensure that it is genuine. An expert with deep understanding of art history is required for this task. Third, his heritage management and cultural tourism are recently developed field. In this field, students of art can find many professional opportunities. Museum and archives management, library science and information technology, archaeological research, Indology are some important fields in this regard. Then applied art. The visual and performing art are primarily looked upon as the means of entertainment for people. The first one, industry and advertising, interior design and production of ornament object, design, art design of stage backdrop. Then we go to the other side of the text. Art direction of film and television, creating attractive layout of books, magazine, calligraphy, production of greeting cards, invitation cards, customized stationery, gift objects, etc. are the field of applied art. The field of the field of architect, photograph are also part of applied art. Animated graphic created with the help of computer are used in various purposes. Ornament artist, creation of metal, earthen pots with colorful design, objects made from can and bamboo, beautiful glasses, objects, attractive textile and clothing, etc. It is essential to employ trained and skillful individuals at every stage of the production processes of artists. Objects have a history of certain traditions. Now, last paragraph, there are a few institutions in India which offers technical and occupational training in the above mentioned field. Among them, National Institute of Design in Ahmedabad, Gujarat is world-renowned institute. This institute has introduced online course since 2015.